How to fix TikTok glitch likes on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok glitch likes on Android phone. First, open settings and then just scroll down until you find the apps and then apps again, and now click TikTok and go to storage here, click on it and click clear cache, and now go back, go to this one here for stop, click on it and click for stop, and now just go back and disable this one. Go to battery, disable this one, power saver mode, you will find it like that, disable it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.